I'm scared to get those Ring doorbells now, man.
Oh no, why? What they doing?
Because people do crazy with them. People
Oh man, putting on shows.
People go up there like those little girls who came up cussing you out. I wish I could find that.
That's right.
Little girls ringing your doorbell talking about stink.
Think, ho.
Yeah, stink, huh? They got.
Oh, that was great.
Yeah, they got man.
Excuse me.
Yeah, excuse me. Girls running. Man, they attract too many weirdos, man. Those Ring doorbells. They got those people who got those people licking you. Who came up and licking doorbells.
Oh yeah, looking crazy at the camera while doing it.
Yeah, look at this. Look, man, come over here kissing your doorbell, your Ring doorbell. They got this other one where this dude. You remember the dude came up and just started licking that doorbell like a cat.
Yeah, giving that poor Ring doorbell an STD.
Yeah, look, there it is. Look at this.
Hey.
Yeah, these things attract too many weirdos, man, and that's that's exactly what happened in this video right here. I would say this, and it's a shame when you have to put it this way. This is not as weird as the others, which means weird.
Okay.
So this man is so high. Got me? This man is so high that I guess he was on his way to Jack in the Box and got lost and came up to this Ring doorbell and tried to order a double cheeseburger and fries.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
The video, my friend, speaks for itself.
You guys do that Stellar's breakfast special?
If you could understand that, because y'all listen, this man asked me, y'all still do that $5 breakfast special? Look how high this man is. He could barely keep his eyes open when he was talking.
That's fine. Let me get,
I mean, he's actually looking at the menu, too.
This fool looking at an imaginary menu.
He's so high that he sees the drive-thru menu right there.
He probably think he's in his car right now, too.
No. Yeah. That'd be funny if he's like, okay, thank you. Go, hurry up. Now, unless these people actually did put up a menu right there, in which case they deserve this, which I doubt. This man is so high. He said, all right, hold on. Let me see what else you got.
He said, what else you got?
We're closed. You have to leave.
okay.
Bye. Now that was smart, man. That was very smart. Don't panic. Don't get crazy. Play the game. Say we're closed, and do some Looney Tunes shit. Say we're closed, and he'll be on his way.
Yeah, that's it.
Do what Bugs Bunny would do.
Yes. Do what Bugs Bunny would do.
Bugs Bunny would have said, "We're closed, Doc."
But first, he would dress up in drag. And then.
But if you're looking for a piece of ass, hey, come on in. That's all right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Somebody said, always comes back to Looney Tunes, man.
Tell you, man, listen. Ain't too far.
But it works. It worked on him. Yeah. The woman, she played it cool. She didn't say, oh my God, get out of here, call the police. She said, no, this fool thinks he's at Jack in the Box. Let me play along. Yeah, unless she actually was cooking a hamburger for him.
Shit, unless she just got off of work or something.
Yeah, she probably could have made a little money, man. She could have told him, cheeseburger and small fries, that'd be $100. Well, okay. Hey. You take Visa? I'll take anything you got in your pockets right now.
you take Monopoly? Got that white dollar bills out of here.
I got these Hooters bucks.
Goddamn.
Oh, this is
Jeffrey Dollars.
Yeah, Jeffrey Bucks from Toys R Us. A toy store ain't even open no more.
Old school.
Somebody said you take food stamps for food. Yeah.
You take frankincense.
Yeah.
Get biblical on her.
And this got to be Florida. I'm looking at these palm trees over here.